Hello friends, we are driving along Blue Mountains, Three Sisters,
stupid
and we went to
parking.
Honeymoon
So
Lookout.
stop. There's no parking.
Oh, Leura.
Is it? No stopping.
This one here, babe.
Leura
Yeah.
Cascades, Chelmsford Drive.
Road closed,
Road closed.
but you have to go inside.
Police vehicles accepted. No parking. Is that right?
Yeah. If there's a police, they will cut you.
But
Fine you.
road closed. Okay, road closed.
If you hide.
Maybe I shouldn't stay here. What do you reckon? Probably not.
I don't know if there's a police. You will be fine.
Hey.
You will be fine, of course.
Oh yeah, I don't think it's Leura Station. Doesn't show you where you can park. Pedestrian access only, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, you cannot. See?
There must be a spot where you can park.
Big, and also this one of friends. Oh, they have falls, small falls.
Oh, that's Leura Cascades, yeah. Okay, so
There's a small also. It's cool down here. There's no wind, but it's very cold. And even this one.
Chelmsford Drive.
They're,
You can't even get in there.
yeah, I think they're doing something, babe.
Yeah. So no stopping.
Yeah, don't worry. There's no. It's not operational. Oh, big tree.
Looks that's a walkway. That's the cliff walk, I think.
Yeah,
Okay, I just
Maybe-
turn around. I'll turn around.
maybe if there's a park, there's no park. You cannot park either here.
There's nowhere to park.
How about here? No parking. No stopping.
No stopping. Yeah. I just need to turn around. Forget that one.
Yeah. Down here.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
That's okay.
Way down the street.
That restaurant looks as if it's
It's
seen
not.
better days.
Oh
Haven't
yeah.
painted it.
Yeah. It seems it's not.
Huh?
Is it working?
It's not. It's not.
It's not very.
It's not open.
Yeah.
Well, maybe people are parking here to go down
To go
the
there.
other place.
Yeah.
Long way to go.
Yeah. Summer.
Yeah.
We have to come here summer, babe.
When it's hot down.
And then we can park somewhere.
Yeah.
Is this thing's old houses or what?
Leura Cascades pedestrian access from there, but
No,
it's
through
a
road. How about here? Maybe you can park.
Yeah, it looks like you can park up there. No. What is it?
Turn around.
Oh, is that's
turn around.
that's the restaurant I was at.
Yeah.
Yeah? Wasn't it?
Is that?
So why don't we park at the restaurant and walk down? Because I think that's going to be the day.
See, they walk.
Huh?
This couple walk.
Yeah, we can walk. Okay. Okay, yeah,
In that
you
one.
park up here
In
and you
that
walk
one.
across the road. Okay. Doesn't say no parking. Doesn't have to pay a fortune. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We'll bring our apple.
Yeah,
Do
good
you
idea.
think? Okay. We are going to this what do you call
Leura Cascades.
Leura Cascades.
Yep. These are nice apples.
We are eating apple. Older apples were nice because they're fresh.
That means they'll last a long time too.
Yeah, and last long. It will last 1 month.
Really?
Even, yeah. And what's this one? But you have to keep it in the fridge, babe. You have to keep it in the fridge.
No, I didn't put it in the fridge.
Yeah, because it's winter, it's okay. But when it's not winter anymore. Daffodils? Wow.
Yeah, they're nice. A lot of them.
That's the kind of plants you will plant
Careful.
when,
Careful.
yeah. When you have a big land, not much maintenance because they have bugs. This is a cliff walk. What's this, the apple? Even the daisy mandarins is so cute, is so nice.
Yeah, very nice.
We bought them in Parkley last week, and it's still, like very fresh.
I'm glad I put my warm jacket on. Cool.
They removed the jacket now.
Got a short one. And she's got, and maybe they're doing a lot of walking.
See, they have boardwalk. Very
Yeah,
nice.
it's very good.
Oh, but not all. It's only a short.
Only where it's wet, maybe.
So here, there's no mushrooms. Babe, there's no mushrooms because there's no needle pantries.
There's no what?
Mushrooms.
Ah, no, because no pine.
No pan. Cascade. Where is that cascade? That's Henry, the one in the shorts. Looks like Henry.
What?
No, in the shorts.
No.
No?
Henry's a lot skinnier. Henry's
No, but
a lot taller, a lot skinnier.
But
Darling, no camping.
Huh?
That's no good.
What's that? No camping or overnight stays. Oh, I hear now the cascades. Huh? I hear now the cascades.
The what?
Water, is that
Oh
water?
yeah, the Cascades, yeah.
So there's water there. See?
Oh, there'll be water, yeah.
Yeah, it's
But we haven't had
cascades.
rain for a week, have we?
Aray ko. The jacket. nakuha niya. Iniwan ng jacket. Nauna siya, babe.
Huh?
He came first than you. The
His what?
jacket. The jacket, babe.
What about it?
He picked up there.
Huh?
He picked up there.
He just found it.
Yeah, see that one.
I would have grabbed it, but I mightn't have seen it.
See that one, though.
Hey?
He grabbed it.
Hey, he beat me to it.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh, what's this? It's quicker than you. Because it's toilet, oh. It's toilet. They hung the jumper there. Oh, then we forgot. So there are things to do here. Oh wow! There's a bridge.
Huh?
There's a bridge down there.
A beach.
Bridge. Or is that a stone? It looks like bridge. Leura Cascades. Oh yeah, it's a bridge. Oh, that's the Cascades. It's very cold. My hands holding this phone is already is already numbing. It's like ice. Oh, this is the Cascades. Oh wow. 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 Oh, coming into source. Wow, that's the bridge. That's the cascade, babe. Ang ganda, oh.
Hey?
Coming from there and here,
Yeah,
the water,
Nice.
the river.
Leura Cascades.
Nora, until look at the bridge. I need a picture there. Can you take video of me later?
Yeah. On the way up.
No, now, later. No, I will. You will take pictures.
Hey?
I know you will take video of me.
I want to finish my apple.
Yes. That's what I said. When you
Look, we'll be
finish.
coming back this way.
No, now.
Yes, we will.
Now.
Okay.
You know,
Ready?
you can
Ready?
swim there.
Okay, go.
You can swim there, babe.
Huh?
You can swim.
Yeah, okay.
I do. See? No, it's a video, babe. It's
Huh?
a video. Hey, this is Leura Cascades. Very beautiful. Come here. Why you turning? No, babe. It's a video.
I got the bridge.
Okay. I don't think so.
Yes, I did.
No, but I mean, it will not be in. Okay.
Okay, got it. There we go.
There's people there.
There you go. I got the bridge. There we go.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go. We will continue. Bye. Leura Cascades. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, but it's freezing. My hands are na. My other hand is freezing na. That's why I'm holding it into my other hand. We don't have flashlight. It's getting dark. The sound of the music of the water is so nice. Yung ng water. Passage of water. Leura Cascade, Gordon Falls, picnic area. Oh, they have a picnic area. It would be more beautiful in summer. This one to come. Prince Henry Cliff Walk to Gordon Falls. Oh, there's a falls there, but how many minutes? How many kilometers? Oh, 1 hour, babe. There, 1 hour.
Hey? Yeah, we're not going that way.
Yeah.
You are here. This yellow, this drive.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda naman ng nature. Nature is so beautiful talaga. Mm-hmm.
Now it says area closed.
But the thing is, it's so cold. We're supposed to go to Mount York to have an overnight, but because yesterday we have something to do and then it's very windy and very cold, so it's not good to go. So we just came here in the Three Sisters, and it got a better weather today. There's no wind, strong winds, and sunny. Very nice. Double here. Okay. Double. Are we still going down there?
I don't know. I'm going to ask these girls. Is there anything down there?
Okay.
Not really, pretty much the same.
Yeah, because it says here that there's some falls and things, but there's no access to it.
Oh yeah, no. So there's like...
So you just...
Oh, what's that one, babe? That.
We said it was ochre.
Ah. Pretty much the same. Right?
Yeah.
That's what you said, but it's nice. Oh. But look at the walkway. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, the stones.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, they made all this in the Blue Mountains in the Great Depression.
The prisoners? No.
No, they gave people who were unemployed jobs
so that
to make these tracks.
So that they will.
Okay, so that's where it leads. More of the same stream.
Oh. Falling tree. This is not last night. Oh my God. It was made down in the Great Depression so that the people have work and money. These beautiful trucks. There are so many trucks here.
Yeah.
And depending also the distance.
Well, there's lights down there. Look.
There's 1 hour, 1.5 trucks. Like Mount Kaputar. Really, isn't it, babe?
Different.
No, what I mean that there's trucks that,
Well, these are better.
yeah. Yeah, because you are under so thick, thick forest or trees. In Mount Kaputar, some not. Because it's volcan.
Yeah. Well, these paths were made 100 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah,
done this?
nearly.
Oh, really?
Well, the Great Depression was 1929.
Oh, and now 20.
Now it's 2024,
Oh,
so 95 years ago.
really? These stones and trucks,
Yeah.
100, almost 100 years now. 95 years old.
Well, no, people have been walking in this park for ages.
Yes, but they develop.
Yeah, they developed it as a resort for bushwalking.
Yeah.
I think people in the olden days,
Oh,
they were fitter than us because they did more active,
work,
but also
job.
just going everywhere. They could only ride or walk.
No, but the mortality rate is higher now. I mean, how old are you?
Because they got sick. If they hadn't invented penicillin.
Yeah. I think what's now the average here in Australia? It's very high.
Is the what?
85.
Is the what?
The death mortality.
What the? I think.
Older people. 85.
No, I don't know whether it's. I don't know. It
I
depends.
read before that it became up. That's why
It's quite good.
good health. Good health.
We've got good health.
Yeah,
And we've got a
It's
good
good.
health system.
medical system.
What is it low in the Philippines?
Oh, I don't know.
People die early.
Early, especially the guys,
So you'll probably
because they drunk.
longer for your classmates. That's good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Wow. Wow, it's like a cathedral. There, it's a cathedral. Oh, there are people who went there to see the nice view. See, it's like a cathedral, babe. See,
Oh yeah, yeah.
but trees inside. So people walk down there to have a nice view.
Yeah, have a picnic down there on that rock.
Yeah, and I have a nice view of that rock. Oh, there's another one there.
Yep.
But I think that's too far now. Are we going to that? It will get dark.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it's too far now.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it is. It's good. Thank you.
No, we.
Thank you,
we,
babe,
We got to
because-
do more.
Because
We got to do more.
I've seen this.
Huh?
Because I came and see this.
You what?
Because we came and I see and walk this truck.
Yeah, well that's
Ordinary thing we will be doing.
yeah, it's just
Oh my God, it's hot. Okay, I think that's the difference. I enjoy walking even though it's too cold. My hands are frozen now holding this video, so I'll say goodbye and have a nice day. And please subscribe. See you next time again. Bye.